Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a really fun, easy song by Bruce Springsteen, The Boss, Hungry Heart. Alright, so we only got 1, 2, 3, 4 easy chords. They do change key for the sax solo, but let's not worry about that. Let's just do the main chords for the song. So please put a capo on 1st fret if you want to play along with the record. Standard tuning, capo 1st fret. Alright, let's go. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got D minor. 1, 2, 3. And we got G major. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the switching is start with C. 1, 2, 3, A minor, 3, 4, D minor, G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, check out this cool strumming. If you want to alternate, that's down, and then you kind of glide over the strings, and then up. Up, down, glide, up, down, glide, up, down. You know, very 50s. The verses, maybe we want to mute a little bit, bring it down in volume. And then bring it up for the chorus. Everybody's got a hungry heart. Everybody's got a hungry heart. Fantastic tune, huh? Happy and very great. Alright, thanks folks. Short lesson today. We'll see you tomorrow with more cool acoustic hits. Take care.